4-year-old Alexander Marsh. The incident sparked protests and roadblocks on Monday. Giovanni Hamilton reports.
Anger spilled onto the streets of Jonestown on Monday, June 8, as residents blocked roadways and demanded answers following the fatal police shooting of 24-year-old Alexander Marsh. To those who knew him, Marsh was no criminal. Residents insist he was innocent and unarmed when his life was cut short on Sunday.
A church meeting and the pastor come when I put somebody in the church completely. I said somebody on the road. Somebody reach on the corner and see a choke. They say why choke? Them kill little boy innocent. A cold-blooded man, them they get knocked down for the little boy. Let me say God. Me not tell them not for nobody. Them wicked God.
The way they take him up so quick, them not even talk what happened. And then them go down to public and tell the security say anyone that family member them come, them not let him in, them not let them in to come look for them. They must wait till the morning them got chance for the day.
As tensions grew, commanding officer for the Western Kingston Police Division, Superintendent Brian Henry, provided the police's account of the incident.
Somewhere around 8:40 p.m., members of the Kingston Western Division Operational Support Team were conducting patrols in the Admiraltown section of the division. They were traveling along Penn Street when they reportedly saw a man who, upon the approach of the police, he started behaving in a manner which aroused their suspicion and ran into a yard. Members of the patrol team pursued this man into the yard where, upon entering, he reportedly pointed a submachine gun at them. The police, in fear of their lives, fired at this man. Consequently, the man was shot and injured, and a submachine gun was retrieved from him, along with 3 9mm cartridges. There's an active investigation being undertaken by the Independent Commission of Investigation, as also our internal Inspectorate of Professional Standards and Oversight Bureaus.
Behind the protests and the pleas for justice is a family now forced to grapple with the loss of the life of a loved one. A father...
You kill him and I say, man, that's God. And then you come up. You kill me, you're supposed to come out to the God. Because you kill me with a God. No. You kill me with a God as a officer. You're not supposed to come out to this guy.